Hey guys, good afternoon. I hope my voice is audible for you. So here we go. This is the dollar index, and by the way, this is all. This is how I filter out and make my weekly forecast. Okay, you can learn a lot from this. Just head into weekly time frame and mark the highs and lows. Can you see something over here? The candle closed here, then the next candle opened here. So this is considered as a gap. See. So now in this, I am expecting price to make some good shots, but I didn't get any good confirmation. The price is still in the key zone. We want price to give like a good closing above or below the key zones, so so that we can anticipate where we might get the next move. As of now, this we consider as a key zone. Until and unless we get a closing above, we won't be going long. If we get a closing below this point of interest, we can look for shorts. The reason is, if we get a closing above, then that's a breakup structure, and we have got a closing above 50% as well. Then we might can continue above this. And the reason, if we get a closing below, we can go shorters. This is like an inversion FEG which is working now. If you get a closing below it, so it works as another. I mean, again, inverse FEG, and we can look for some shorts till this inefficiency. This is like a very good inefficiency, and it is still valid because of. And if we enable the sessions, it's a very good accumulation. I'm thinking that we might get a manipulation to the highs and then good drop. Let's see, depending on the closings of dollar, we're gonna be initiating our positions. And this week I'm expecting price to fill this inefficiency and go to the highs again. If not, we'll get a closing above. After getting a closing above, we might continue to trade higher. Two scenarios are there. Yeah, same thing. If we get a closing above, we're gonna be look for longs. If we get a closing below, we'll be looking for shorts. In dollar, like vice versa to the pairs. If we are trading gold, if you get a closing above, like gold is inversely correlated to the dollar index. Okay, the dollar moves up, gold's move down, inversely correlated. So better we have to wait for a good closing, but as of now, I'm thinking that it will take out the high. Next, euro. Same thing. Also, try to keep your charts as clean as possible. It builds a good narrative for your subconscious. Like, you can easily understand how things are functioning. Just a second. Oh, hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so again, after refining it into 4 hours, we should look for all the point of interest, which could effectually, impact the price. Looking at now, I could see that price might take the liquidity, or else after taking out the low, it might continue to fill this inefficiency. Depending on the dollar closing, again, we'll be initiating our positions. Yeah, since it took the Asia low and got a change of character, this breakup log entry, it might go for the next liquidity, taking out these low. I'm expecting this liquidity to take out. Let's wait for the price. If at all we get any good confirmations, no, we'll give it a try. After taking this liquidity, we're going to be look for longs. And again, like those are the key levels. After that liquidity, we might get a reversal or either a continuation. Same with the GBP. Am I audible now? Is it loud? Loud and clear? This is the key zone, and if we get a closing above, we're gonna be look for longs. If we get a closing below, we're gonna be look for shorts. Simple, and it's just all depending on the dollar. Next, we'll go for the MNQ. This is a gap, okay. And VOG, basically an opening gap. So the price closed here and open here, so it becomes a gap. So since we got a closing below, this works as a, you guys know the concept of polarity, right? So yeah. Took the low, took the high, again looking for something. Let's see, same thing. If we get a closing below, we're gonna be look for shorts. If we get a closing above, we'll be look for logs. And let's look at the high impact data. Okay. Uh-huh. So the majority of the moves gonna be on Wednesday. So I'm expecting this to be a Wednesday low and Friday high. Let's see. And in between, Trump again, like Netanyahu again started shooting bombs to Israel. So that also comes to underplay. Let's trade according to the price action. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you how these things work. What is NQM and ASM? They are stocks or what? What is ESM? You mean by MNQ and ES? Same thing, buddy. The US 100, whatever the US 100 was, the same it goes. Same bias. ES is also goes same with the MNQ, but thoda bahut teda meda. And since if you can see it, you got a what do you call this? SMT. ऊपर ले लिया एशिया हाई को ले लिया यहाँ पे एशिया हाई को नहीं लिया है तो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट ए गुड शॉट इन हियर टिल दिस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बट या अगेन नॉट सो शॉर्ट बिकॉज नो इवेंट्स टुडे न्यूयॉर्क पे थोड़ा छोटा मोटा मूव मिल सकता है बिकॉज एंड ऑल्सो वी हैड ए ड्रास्टिकल फॉल आफ्टर फ्राइडे नाइट लाइक इट इज़ क्लोज टू हाउ मच 5% more. This is not normal, so we can expect a choppiness today. Okay, so better we avoid and look for trades in New York session. And also, I told you about this thing, no? The resources channel, there is this thing called weekly profiles. So it's gonna be either a seek and destroy or Wednesday low of the week or Wednesday high of the week. So since it is in the discounted zone, so we might expect something like this to happen. And yeah, again, all depends on the dollar and Trump and Netanyahu. Their decision is going to make a very good impact on the markets. But this week, I'm expecting a slightly bullish move. Like whatever the fall we got on this entire week, I'm expecting it to fill. And looking for the trades, for now, we got a short in MNQ. but I won't be trading since it is stretched too much. Same with every other pair, but if at all you would like to give it a try, you can look for nothing. I'd say just wait for New York session open and trade if anything matches your criteria. And as you all know, I don't trade on New York sessions. Sorry, Monday. Yeah, that's it. See you guys then. See you in the New York session. Okay. Perfect. If at all you got any questions, you can join our Discord channel and ask your questions. Also, one more thing, we'll be hosting a contest. The there is like a lot of prize money, more than 2 lakh rupees. It is close to 2.5 lakh rupees, and it is completely for free. Anybody can join. Wait, I'm gonna just show you guys. It is be completely free. Anybody can join. Just register here with your email, and if you have any queries, you can join the WhatsApp channel. And here we have all the rules and regulations. And the window is starting. Okay, this is not the correct one. The competition is starting on 10th of June to 14th June. So that 5 days period, you'll get a 10 lakhs of demo capital. You can trade on BTC, Ethereum, gold, and it is zero free. The prices are like 60,000 rupees first prize, 20,000 rupees for second prize, and also there are a lot. Even if you come in the top 15, you'll be you'll be selected for a paid internship for a high frequency trading. Do you guys are aware of HFT trading? So yeah, you'll get a chance to even do that as well. So first gonna be 60,000, second gonna be 40,000 rupees, third prize gonna be 20,000 rupees, and from 4 to 15 cash prizes. And if you hit 10 profit trades in a row, you'll get 100 rupees instantly per every trade. And if you post your best trade as your Instagram story, you'll get a 100 rupee per story. And again, as I mentioned, top 15 on the leaderboard will be guaranteed HFT high frequency traders. And after interview, top 5 will be gonna be selected for paid internship, which gonna be you'll get 60,000 rupees per month, and everything they'll take care of, like what to do, how you can get it done. And after every month, you'll get a certification as well. The link is in the description, guys. If anybody would like to join our Discord channel, it is for free. You can join, look for announcements, you can check it out here. It is there. You can just sign up in this here. Simple. And if at all you got any questions, you can join this WhatsApp channel and you can ask your queries. And yeah, that's it. Also, I'm trying to put a series where I'll be helping you guys to trade all these. Since we are doing MNQ live every day, we'll also add gold to it, so that you might also get in touch with this competition, and I'll give you a push for you guys, especially for our cognition concepts. And yeah, that's it. If you guys need any help as well, we'll help you out. Done. Perfect. So Ronak sir, you had a question, right? So wait a second. So I hope this is your entry and exit problems, right? Let's say if you're going long, this is what you've been doing. यहाँ पे प्राइस मिटिगेट करेगा, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर देगा, and you'll enter near an FEG or any point of interest, but प्राइस तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट होके ऊपर जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट यू वेरी राइट. एग्जैक्टली सेम है क्या? कुछ चेंजेस है क्या इसमें? ऐसा ही होता है ना? तो इसमें आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, वेट फॉर प्राइस टू गिव ए मैनिपुलेशन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड SMT. इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग यूरो USD, लुक फॉर GBP USD. हमारे डिस्कॉर्ड में ना बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज भी हैं. यहाँ पे कौन से पेयर पे क्या क्या SMTs को देखना है. यू कैन चेक हियर. पॉजिटिवली कोरिलेटेड SMTs कैसे होते हैं एंड नेगेटिवली कोरिलेटेड SMTs कैसे होते हैं एंड हाउ यू कैन यूज़ इट. एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर. एंड लेट्स से अभी आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा. अभी हमने MNQ में एक ट्रेड देखा ना, शॉर्ट ट्रेड. वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक बार 1 मिनट में गया तो एक बार सिंपली देखो. यहाँ पे प्राइस ने ईशा हाई को यहाँ पे निकाला है ना, राइट. यहाँ पे प्राइस ने ईशा हाई को निकाला एंड यहाँ पे MNQ में प्राइस ने ईशा हाई को नहीं निकाला. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आपको अगर आप यहाँ पे एंट्री लेना चाहे तो आप यहाँ तक वेट करके यहाँ पे ही एंट्री ले लेते हैं. अगर लेट से 1 मिनट में जाएंगे तो आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाएगा. आप सोचोगे अच्छा यहाँ पे इन्वर्स एफिशिएंसी के नीचे क्लोजिंग आ गया, लेट मी गो शॉर्ट, है ना. लेकिन क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे प्राइस ने स्टॉप लॉस हिट होके फिर एक्चुअल मूव दे रहा है. तो आप इसको कैसे एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, मतलब लुक फॉर ए कोरिलेशन. ठीक है. अगर यहाँ पे MNQ ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो ये इसके लिए देखिए, आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, प्राइस ने एशिया को स्वीप किया, यहाँ पे नहीं किया, तो यहाँ पे एक SMT आ गया. तो जब भी तुम्हें SMT आएगा तब वो ट्रेड शॉर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है. आई होप दिस क्लियर्स आउट ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस. अगेन एक बार ये ट्राई करो एंड इफ एट ऑल यू गेट एनी क्वेश्चंस लेट मी नो इन द डिस्कॉर्ड. एंड या दैट्स फॉर टुडे. See you guys. Bye bye. See you in the New York session.